La cuisine médicale est à l'honneur à la Foire internationale des affaires et du commerce de Douala. Toutes venues des régions du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest, Grace Tomasa, Sylvie et Mrs. Janet font la promotion d'une alimentation thérapeutique faite à partir des aliments du quotidien. Déjà très impressionnant, le produit de Sylvie, même avant d'en sortir les valeurs nutritives et médicales, laisse déjà sans voix puisqu'il s'agit du couscous de plantain. Obtenu à partir du plantain séché et réduit en poudre, très facile à préparer, le couscous de plantain est consommé avec toutes sortes de légumes et de sauces.
Plantain fufu flour, simple and easy to prepare. You just boil your water, you divide it into 2 portions, you pour the flour inside, you stir, and you add the product, you stir very well, you add a bit of water, you allow it to be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes, and the food is ready. You can eat it with any vegetable of your choice, any soup, anything. It is also good, you can use it for baking, pancake, cake, anything, fish.
Bon sous le palais, le couscous de plantain est un aliment qui en effet cache beaucoup de vertus.
But we recommend this for those who have diabetes, hypertension, because diabetes is caused by sugar. If you consume plantain, it will help to reduce the increase of sugar level in your system as compared to corn and other fufu. Then first of all, plantain is very easy to digest as system. It also has many vitamins like A that help us for vision, vitamin C that help us to control effective agents in our system, and the B6 that help to control the blood and the pressure level in us. Plantain is carbohydrate, so it's very, very good for everybody. You can cut down, you see me, I'm very slim, I used to be very fat, but I take so much of plantain and it's energy, it gives you energy and it builds up your system. So it builds up the immune system very well, it's very, very effective.
Plus loin, le Garcinia Cola, communément appelé Bita Cola, principal produit de transformation de Mrs. Janet, met en avant le thé obtenu à partir de cette noix et qui peut guérir et même prévenir plusieurs maladies.
Bita Cola, you have Bita Cola tea. I transform my Bita Cola into powder, which works for gastric, constipation. It helps to remove toxins from your stomach, from the system. It helps for dysentery. It helps for coughs, side pains for children, for rashes, ringworms, or fungal infections.
Consommer du Bita Cola, c'est bien pour la santé, mais pour Janet, pour optimiser le bien-être sur le plan sanitaire, de ses consommateurs, il est important de respecter la posologie.
For an adult, you take half teaspoon. For infants, you just take a teaspoon, half spoon in a cup, in a cup of water, be it cold or warm water. Cold or warm water.
Après Sylvie et Janet, c'est le tour de Grace Tomasa, pour qui nombre de ces produits exposés favorisent l'épuration du corps.
You can eat it in food, you can put it on your skin, it treats many things. Here is cocoa that we have transformed. You just eat it like granite. It's very good for people that they have high blood and diabetes. It cleans you off. These potato chewing gums are sweet potatoes. We harvest it from the farm, we clean it and prepare it and slice it and dry it. Yes, this one at first our mothers, when they are traveling to another village, they put it in their bag. Because if you just eat this, you will drink 1.5 liter of water and you can pass the whole day without hunger. So this, we call it sweet potatoes chewing gum. It's very nice.
Si la Foire internationale des affaires et du commerce constitue une aubaine pour ces actrices pour faire la promotion de leur savoir-faire, elles pensent tout de même que leurs initiatives pourraient davantage s'accroître avec le soutien de l'État. Raison pour laquelle la dame lance un appel à l'endroit des pouvoirs publics pour l'amélioration des conditions de travail, bien sûr après avoir relevé le privilège de cette rencontre qui pourra permettre d'agrandir le marché de leurs produits.
we are pleading for our ministers, Menza, Minpat, Agriculture, and Minister of Livestock, to support us, the farmers, the cooperatives, special women and youths, because I know that this project of youths and women are in their ministry. So they should support us so that we can sustain our lives and improve our, when our president has said agriculture, 2035. So we are focusing to 2035 agriculture to improve. By then, we'll have but enterprise, not small cooperative, but enterprise that can employ the community to work there and earn their living.
On peut ainsi retenir des dames des régions du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest le fait selon lequel la consommation bio made in Cameroun, qui passe par une transformation locale et artisanale, est facteur d'une bonne santé pour ses consommateurs.